Hello friends, welcome back. So one of my subscriber and friend asked me to put a video on effective job search. So without wasting any time, I'll list down few of the points which are very important, and if you apply them in your job search, your chances of landing in a job you're looking for will increase many folds. So here I start. The first point is resume building. So you need to make your resume which highlights your capabilities and your skills and how they are aligned with the job description. So basically job search is that a company is looking for someone who is fit for this job, and you are looking for a job which is fit for your skill and the experience you have, and both should be aligned. So you have to go through the job description of the job you come across, whether it's on LinkedIn or any other platform, and then match each and every point they have mentioned in their job description and customize your CV, your resume for those points. So you might have done like many things in your role, right? I mean, sometimes you are a developer, but you are also working as tester. You're also doing the business analysis and different things. But your resume should be customized for that particular role and only talk about the skills and experience which suits the job description. So if there is a job role which is for a developer, you only mention your development skills, your coding skills, your problem solving skills, and your experience based on developing, how you develop something and how you code, right? I mean, because the hiring manager is not interested if you also do testing, or they might have testers for that. They might have their own BAs. Okay, yeah. So just align your resume based on the job description. Mention your experience and your skills in your resume profile, which summarizes your experience and skills and makes you fit for the job description. So your resume profile should be aligned with the job description summary. Your skills should be aligned with the skills required in job description. Your experience should be aligned with the experience they are looking for in the job description. So once your resume is done, make it just see if you can make it of only one page. That would be good, or maximum 2 pages. I would say 1 page is enough, just to have a brief summary which summarizes everything: your job experience, your skills, and how you are aligned with the job description, JD. And then your recent project, which you need to focus more. Don't put all and every and each minor project. I would say your major projects and the projects that are aligned with the JD. So if it's a particular domain like BFS, then you just mention that, even if you have done something in the telecom domain, but the job description is they are looking for someone in the BFS domain, just put those projects which are in those domain. So keep it short. 1 page is fine. Another thing I would like to add, that if you are applying from a country outside your citizenship country, like you are Indian but you are applying in any other country, the job is also in the same country where you are now, mention your resident or like residency status or the citizenship status, because recently a lot of companies, they are looking for someone who is located in the same place where the job opportunity is. They don't want to have the relocation and other things. So market is not good, as we all know, and everybody is just making sure that the candidate can join as soon as possible, and the company doesn't need to provide or facilitate any kind of relocation. So ideally they look for a candidate who is in their geography. So if you are applying, mention your status, that you are resident or you are a citizen and you don't need any work sponsorship. Okay, so once the CV or your resume is done, you need to apply to the jobs, right? So I would say I recommend LinkedIn, because when you go to LinkedIn jobs, you find the jobs where you can apply, and they have 2 options, which is easy apply. You just need to upload your resume, and some are taking you to their company website where you have to create an account and apply. So in most of the jobs they post in LinkedIn, you actually can see who is the hiring team, who is the hiring manager and the recruiter. So good thing in LinkedIn is you can connect with them and follow up that you came across this job and you think you are a suitable candidate for this and you have applied. If you're lucky, you can get a reply, and that will help you to further keep a check on your progress. And sometimes it helps you to get your CV directly to the hiring manager as they come to know that you have applied, and they might go through your LinkedIn profile. So that comes to the next point. Make your LinkedIn profile aligned with your resume. So if your resume is mentioning different companies, different projects, different positions, the same should reflect in your LinkedIn profile. Because many times if there is a LinkedIn profile link in your CV, or if a hiring manager goes to your LinkedIn profile and he finds that your resume and your LinkedIn profile is not matching, it doesn't seem good. It seems that you have just prepared a CV or resume to apply for the job, but that's not aligning with your LinkedIn profile, which is in public domain. So make sure that your LinkedIn and your CV is aligned. The third thing I would say, that when you apply for a job, and if you are getting any reply from the recruiter or the hiring manager for an interview, do have your questions ready, that what kind of interview rounds it will be, how many rounds it will be, what kind of interview it will be. Will it be fully technical interview or will it be on-site interview? So once the recruiter contacts you after your CV, be ready for that call, because that's like initial call. Get ready with your questions and all the details, so when they schedule further interviews, you are ready. And after you are getting into the interview round, I will create a separate video on different interviews, because it might be different interview questions and type based on the position you are applying. So I'll be further putting a series of interview questions and answers for different positions, whether it is a data scientist, program manager, technical program manager, project management, and so on. So as of now, this is it, and I'll put some videos in the future for salary negotiation also once you are hired, because that's a very important thing. Sometimes we get settled for less than what we deserve, and that hurts us in the long time. So thank you very much for listening to me, and I hope this helps. Please subscribe to my channel and keep looking for further videos to help you in your growth. Keep climbing, keep hustling. Thank you.